Hi Lovelies! It's OC Craft here. For this video, I am going to share with you my 2022 planner. This year planner is the 365 Days Life Planner which I bought at Shopee. The size of this planner is 7 inches by 5 inches. It is a little bit smaller than a 5A notebook or a journal. The cover is hardbound. It is well binded and it is very sturdy. It almost looks like a hardbound book that you see in the library. Upon opening, a very nice quote will greet you saying, "Hello, make a plan for your everyday life." On the second page, it is where you can put your personal info like names, birth, email address, mobile number, and home address. On the next page, it has a yearly plan spread where you can list your project plans for this year. It's like an overview monthly spread for monthly monitoring. Each spread has 4 rows and 8 columns. Moving on, it has 12 undated monthly plan spread where you can record your monthly plans and review it in one glance. It starts on Monday and ends on Sunday. Each month has a cute and beautiful design which is pleasing to the eyes. It can also set your mood to organize daily life and plans. It also has a project page where you can break down your project plans for the month. Each month has a dated daily plan page where you can write your to-do list or your daily journal. You can choose by making a circle or shading the month, day, and the weather you are currently experiencing. It has a built-in bookmark so you can easily track where your previous view ended. At the last part of the planner, it has 2 spreads of 12 days plan. This 12-day plan spread is a perfect monitoring for your goals such as road to fitness, learn new skills, read new books, and many more. At the end part of the planner, it has 15 blank spreads where you can use for other monitorings such as savings, bill trackers, important dates, write notes, and many more. By the way, this planner costs 190 pesos, but I bought it at Shopee for 182 pesos only. It is practical, straight to the point, and very affordable. There you have it, lovelies. I hope this review helped you decide if you will buy the 365 Days Life Planner. I will also put the product link at the description box below. Thanks for watching. Bye!